Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the Allure specification, which we've taken in part exchange. So this car comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, keyless entry, there's a reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. There's also air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 12,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.